Between stressful classes and tight schedules, many students feel overwhelmed by college and high school science requirements. However, alternative science courses such as the ones offered by Arcadia High School CTE department are changing that experience. With labs more like kitchens, the AHS Food Science course teaches students to change how they think about what's on their plates.
Combining real-life skills while continuing to build scientific thinking, students can engage in an option different from the traditional sciences, despite the course not offering science credit.
It's a great experience if you take the course. You can learn how to cook. A lot of prepping and a lot of research about certain ingredients you can combine while you cook. I would consider it a science because it involves a lot of physics and a lot of chem, because if you don't measure certain ingredients right, like for cookies, if you use baking soda and you don't activate it with acids, then your cookies won't turn out good. I think it's a course everyone should take.
To learn more, here's a statement from food science teacher Ms. Roswell. I tried to bring in a little bit of nutrition, a little bit of science, and a little bit of the history of where foods come from. It's cool to see my students that get into it, and some of them don't even realize that they like it. Then they get into it even more.
It depends on what we're cooking, but usually like on Wednesdays we'll start prepping it, and then Fridays we'll probably cook it, and it depends where it goes after that. But usually like towards the middle to end of the week we start doing prepping and cooking. It's very hands-on. Really all the assignments you're doing is taking notes on the recipes and just cooking it in general. It sets you up for life, a lot of different things. You could cook things you're probably not comfortable with, probably things you won't cook like in a regular day-to-day. You put in what you get out, so if you want to like focus more on science, then Ms. Roswell will definitely help you with that. But it's more of like creativity, kind of just cook what you want to. It's probably one of my favorite classes, definitely like one of the best electives that you can have in this school. Favorite part of the class? I'd say the cooking part, like prepping it's cool, but cooking it's like everyone just has a good time. Everyone's doing their own little things, like all the kitchens have their own groups. Usually you're grouped like with friends, so not really like a hard thing to do, it's kind of just fun.
For teachers, food science is about building knowledge and curiosity in the classroom. But for students, it's about discovery, learning how the science behind food connects to their everyday lives.
As course selection approaches, food science stands out as an option for those who want a learning experience that feels practical, approachable, and engaging, proving that learning doesn't always have to follow the traditional path. This has been Kajal Patel reporting for AUSD Today.